Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. It is Tuesday, May 5th. For science today, we are going to continue talking about parents and offspring. So I want you to think about something. You are the offspring of your parents, and they are the offspring of your grandparents. So your grandparents are the parents of your parents. So once upon a time, your parents were babies of your grandparents, and then they grew up, and then they had their own babies, which ended up being you. So I want you to take a selfie with your parents or a picture with your parents. You're going to take that selfie and you're going to identify or name some traits that you received from your parents that cause you to look like your parents. So it causes you to resemble them. Do you have the same eye colors? Do you have the same hair? Do you have freckles like them, dimples like them? Whatever causes you to resemble them, I want you to write that trait down. You can also do this with other family members. So if you have an aunt, a cousin, an uncle, do it with your grandparents. If you want to do it with your grandparents, you can take a picture also and identify some traits that you have that causes you to resemble them as well. So remember, once you've done this, I want you to send your work to your teacher, whether it be Class Dojo, Parent Square, and an email. If you're texting them the picture of what you took and then writing it down and showing them that, you can do that as well. Just make sure you're sending your teacher your work. We'd love to see your work. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or you can reach out to any of the other second grade teachers. That should be it for today's lesson. Make sure you're completing your work and just reach out if you need anything. We'll see you next time.